Good morning. So now just look at this. All of you put the CW and date. Yes, so now just mark the first question as 1. Okay, this one is 1. Okay, now just write the answer. Look here, it is given. Write the number that comes after 735. After. If it is given after, in case of after, basically we have to add 1. Add, that means plus, right? Add what? 1. Yes, in case of before, usually we subtract 1. Understood? So now look at this. The first one. Write the number that comes after 735. That number which comes after 735. What will come after 735? Definitely 736. The next number, immediate next one. If we do forward counting or if we add 1, it will be 736. Yes, so just write the answer. This one. Write the whole statement. Write the statement, write the full statement. Achha, all of you are able to see the screen properly, so just look at this. It is not hazy. Aratrika, you have written. Aratrika Patro, you have written. Right, all of you. Atrika, all of you, just first one. Just write the answer 736. Okay, now the next one. Mark by 2, number 2. Okay, next write the number that comes before 500. I told before means actually backward counting, right? That means what? We have to subtract 1. Suppose before 500 it is given. So 500 minus 1, exactly immediate before place. Look, suppose this one 500, immediate after means add 1, 501. Immediate before, that means 499. Backward counting, right? So just write the answer. Write the answer there. Have you marked the 1? This one 2. First one is 736. Second one, the number that comes before 500. 499. Just do it. It will be number 2 answer is 499. Do not write only answer. Only answer, it will not be granted, okay? The full statement. Okay, understood too? Then now the third one. The third one. Write the number that comes between these two numbers. In between. In between means exactly in the middle of these two. Look, 644 and the next one is 646. Right? In between them. Yes, so in between them, which one? Basically, after of this first one and before of the second one. So just use any one of them. Just after rule use, no need to apply before rule. Okay, just 644 plus 1 means what? 645. So just 645. Definitely it will match. If we subtract 1 over there, then it will also come the same number. Okay. So the answer is 645. Done to? Written? Now look at the next one. 700. Acha, 900. 900. 7 tens, 2 ones. Acha, these 3 completed. All of you just shake your head if yes. Ankon Patro, shake your head. Okay. All of you. Pushpak, okay. Pranovi, good. Okay, good. Alvira, where are you? I can't see you. Acha, now just look. Comment see, Alvira. Acha, now just look. This one. 900. I'm just clearing the screen, okay? Just look at this. It is given 917 and 2 ones. How many hundreds are there? 900. 900 means in this way 900. Then 7 tens. Achha, suppose I am just at first I am putting the place, huh? Ones, tens, 100. In small letter I am putting, huh? 900 is over there. This one done. Now 7 tens means what? 70, 7 tens. 2 ones means only 2. Then just we have to add. It will be 7, it will be 2, it will be 7, it will be 9. 972. Right? Is it clear to all of you? Now just write this answer. 972. Okay? Okay, done. After this completed, all of you, now the next one. Write the largest number among this. What are the numbers? Just let me write the number. 843, 395, 625 and 117. How to check which one is the larger? Basically, the place values are places are ones, tens, hundreds, right? The rule is at first we have to look at hundreds place. Look at this 100 place. Look, which one is greater? Achha, there is also 8, right? Which one is greater? 8, 3, 6 and 1. Which one is greater? Definitely 8. So no need to look the other part. Okay? No need to look at the other part. Okay? Now, look at this. Among these 100 place here, only 8 is the greater. That means definitely this number will be the greatest. Clear though? All of you, Shuhana, Mohammad Tasid, clear though? Now just write the greater one. What will be the answer? 843. Understood? Now the next one. Look at this. Now the next one. Write in descending order. Achha, descending order means what? Do you know what does descending order means? Already it is done. Right in the first chapter. Basically from greater to lesser or from bigger to smaller. I'm just writing big to small. Okay. That means first you have to write the greater number, then the greatest basically, then the second highest, then the third highest. In this way, we have to move. Okay, descending order. Now just what are the number? I am clearing the board. Up to this, all of you written to 843. Just shake your head if yes. Acha, okay. Now just look at this. Descending order, the numbers are 215, 386, 159 and 256, right? Which one is greatest? Just look at, I told you to look at 100 place. Look, which one is the greater? 3 definitely. So this one is the first highest number, first greatest. Now the next one, look, there are 2 2s. How many 2s are there? 2 times. So both are greater. So both are equal basically. Next. Now at which number we'll look? At which number we'll look? Look at if both are same digit in 100 place. Then just go to the right side of this digit. Right place. Immediate right place. Look, this is tens place. Now here it is 1, here it is 5. So definitely 5 is greater. So this number is second one. Understood? Now this one is the third one and this one is the fourth one or the last one. Understood? Now just I am writing this answer. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am writing number 6. Okay. Number 6 over there. Maintain the order. At first 386. Acha. Put descending order sign. This one is greater sign. Okay. Understood? Now the next one. 256. 215 greater than 159. Okay, I am waiting. All of you just write it. I am waiting. All of you are able to see this too. Put the sign properly, all of you. Again, I am writing, huh? Look, I am writing over there. For this one, huh? First 386 greater than sign, okay? Basically, greater means when this space is over there, the open sided is for greater number. Okay, so now just look at this. 256 greater than 215, then 159. Completed this one, all of you? Yes or no? If you have completed, then just show me your hand in front of the camera. Not hand sticker. Okay, no, not hand sticker. Exactly. Like Lamia, Pushpak, no need to rotate it. Just show it. Okay. Good. Okay, good. Only one hand is enough. Okay, good. Alvi, one hand is enough. Aratrika completed. Acha, okay. Now just I am going for the next one. Look, 8 tens, this one, 7th one. 8 tens and 3 ones. 8 tens means what? 8 tens means what? Definitely 80. And 3 ones means what? Definitely 3. So if we add them, what will be the answer? Definitely 83. Yes, so already these are very much easy. Always see it properly, huh? This answer is 83. Done. Now in 69, look at this one. In 69, how many tens are there and how many ones are there? Just look at this. In 69, okay. How many tens are there? Plus how many ones are there? Okay. Look, definitely it is ones place and it is tens place. So how many? Just look at the place. Tens place. How many tens are there? 6, no? So 6. Yes. And at ones place it is what? 9. So 9, 1 is over there. Understood? 6 tens and 9 ones. Just do it. Again, I am clearing and I am writing the answer. This one is 83. This one 6 tens. Done. Acha, also I am writing this one. Okay, do it first. It is 972, right? Done to all of you. Now I am doing this one. Look, 647. Look, this one ones place, this one tens place, this one 100 place. Yes, so Just look at this. This one ones place, this one tens place, this one hundred place. So how many hundred are there? Definitely 6. How many tens are there? 4. How many ones are there? 7. 7 1 are there. Yes, so fast. Do it fast, all of you. Now write the smallest 2-digit number. Smallest 2-digit number. That is what? Smallest, huh? From which number? Basically, the 2-digit number is starting from 10 na 10 onwards. 10 onwards. After that 11, 12, in this way it is coming. So, yes or no? So, 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Okay, clear? Just write the answer 10. Because look, after 10 onwards it is starting. But before 10 it is 9. Na? It is a 1-digit number. 1 digit. Yes, Tom. It is 2-digit numbers. First 2-digit. Yes. Now just write the answer 10. 10. Have you written? Now the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. What will be the greatest 3-digit number? It is 999. Why? Because after 999, which one is coming? 1000. If we add, the next number is 1000. It is a 4-digit number. Na? So the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, just write it. All of you write it first. Write it, Shwana, write it first. Now the next one, write the smallest 3-digit number. It is 100. Acha, this one number 6. This answer I am writing over there. If you cannot write it, just write it again. All of you completed to this one? Okay. Now I'll move for the next one. Acha, let me unmute all of you. If you have completed or not, just I am going to unmute all of you. This one is clear to everyone. This one is clear. Again, I am explaining. Dev has 63 marbles, right? 20 more marbles are given to him. Suppose you have 63 chocolates, right? And I have given you extra 20 chocolates. I have given you 20 more chocolates. Total, how many chocolates do you have? This plus this, just normal addition. Yes. Total this one. Just do it. How to do it in your copy. Achha, no need to write the question. Huh? Don't write the question. Just you have to solve. Just you have to write the solution. I will upload the question. Okay. You will get the question from the school website. Understood too? Now just look. What to write in the answer. Okay. Achha, I am doing it above of it. Huh? The answer is above of the question. Just look at this. Just write Dev has 63 marbles. All of you are able to see. Okay, from here I am writing. Dev has 63 marbles. Okay. He gets 20 marbles. This one is marbles, huh? MARBLES. More. Okay, more. The last word is more written over there. Understood? It is more. Now total number. Just put the addition sign. Acha, here is a little bit mistake. Huh? Look, Dev has 63 marbles. It is printing mistake in your book. Okay. And 20 more are given to him. Okay. How many marbles? Aman. It is written Aman. It will be Dev. Huh? Understood? So, this will be Dev. It will be Dev. Now just look. Here write total marbles is equal to, just add them, 83. All of you done this? Completed? Now I am doing the next one, okay? Acha, not this one, okay? The next one means completed to all of you. Written all of you. Just yes or no, shake your head or show me your hands in front of the camera. If you have done, then okay, good. Those who have done, just show me their copy. Acha, okay, good. I am doing the next one, huh? I am doing the next one. Next one, look. Look at the next one. Okay. Now look, don't do this one. Okay, I'll complete this one later because today I am just completing related to addition. Okay. Now just look at this. Nitin has 82 stamps. Rahul has 149 stamps. Okay, and Paramveer has 116 stamps. How many stamps do they have all together? What to do? All together total. That means addition. Okay, how to do? Just write Nitin. Write the statement properly. Nitin has 82 stamps. Okay. Rahul has 149 stamps. Okay. Then Paramveer, I am just writing Param V dot. Huh? You will write the whole name. Has 116 stamps. Now here just write total stamps. Just wait a minute. Total is equal to, okay, just add them. Put this addition sign. First. Okay, look, 6 plus 9 plus 2. It will be 17. So here total these stamps. Carry 1 over there, right? Now just look, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 1, 14. Again 1 carried over there. Now this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Okay, done? Completed all of you? Show me your copy first. I am waiting for 1 minute, then you will show me your copy.